Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to share 3 traffic sources that you need to avoid. You need to stay away from these 3 traffic sources. A lot of people are wasting their time, wasting money. And one of the traffic source that I am going to share, perhaps you will be shocked when I share it with you, because I'm telling you to stay away from it, and it's being promoted and recommended by all the top gurus, because I don't know why they're recommending it. They're probably getting commissions on it, but I'm going to tell you to stay away, and I'm going to give you my reasons. So stay tuned right to the end of this video. Now, there's not only 3 traffic sources. There are so many traffic sources out there that you need to stay away from it if you really want to make real money online. So in my previous videos, I've been talking about building a list using quality traffic sources so you could have quality people in your list. And I don't know if you've took and looked into those traffic sources, but if you haven't, you must check it out. You start to buy traffic and start building your list. Okay, if you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you smash that red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video. If you want to look at all my links, including my Clickbank course and my traffic course, yes, I have a traffic course. It's just gone live. All the links are going to be in the description box below this video. So let's dive into this. So the first traffic source that a lot of people are talking about, and there's a big buzz about it, is called Hercules. Right? Stay away. Stay away. You're not going to make any money, my friend. All right? A lot of people are talking about this. They're saying, oh, look at this, advertise to thousands daily, free. You're just wasting all your time. If you really want to make money and you want to make 6 figures, not just like $5, $10. If you want to make $5, $10, perhaps Hercules might do the job. If you want to make 6 figures, enough money to quit your 9-to-5 job, then I don't think Hercules is going to be a great program to join. All right, so stay away from this program. It's like a traffic exchange. It's like something where when they click on your ad, they get credits, and in return you will click on their ad, you will get credit. That's how it works. The conversions are going to be extremely low. They're not clicking for the purpose to buy something. They're clicking for the purpose to get traffic in return to boost Alexa ranking. All right, so stay away from these kind of websites. It's just a waste of time. Unless you have spare time, you're bored at home, you got nothing to do, then just join this program and give it a try. Otherwise, if you really want to make 6 figures online, then stay away from this. All right, the second traffic source a lot of people that talk about is called ListJoe. All right, it's one of the, look at this, send your email to 1,000 home-based business owners right now. It is true, they do allow you to do that, but the question is, are you going to make any money from it? No. Why? Because everyone who's joining, they're doing that for every single person, and it's just saturated. And like I said, it's one of those websites where you get credit, where you get points, and when you get credit and when you get points, they're just clicking to boost that Alexa ranking, to get on the search engine, SEO search engine. But it doesn't work. Those days are gone as well, where you could like get a lot of traffic and somehow deceive the big search engines to get onto Google and onto the search. Those days are gone as well. So it doesn't work anymore. Don't waste your time. All right. Yeah, if you want to make like I said, if you want to make like $2, $5, $10, this site might be a good fit. All right, and if you have a lot of spare time, you're not doing anything, you're just sitting at home, you might want to join this and give it a try. It might make you $5, $10. But if you want to make real money, a real life-changing income where you have time freedom, money freedom, location freedom, then you want to stay away from these type of websites. All right, third website. Perhaps if you're in the internet marketing game for quite some time, then you might know this person. And it might be a shocking for you, because you're probably going to hear this message for the first time from someone like me. All right. If you're just getting started with the internet marketing game, then this might be something new for you. But if you've been in the internet marketing game for some time, you probably heard this guy, you probably know this guy. All right. You've probably been bombarded with this guy from different and multiple internet gurus because they earn commissions, etc. But for the first time, I'm going to reveal the truth. And what is it? It's this guy here. Ah, all right. This guy. When he started off with solo ad traffic, he had the best of the best traffic, no doubt. All right. And I'm talking about like 10 years or 12 years ago, right? When he came up, even more than that, when he came up for the first time introducing solo ad traffic, this guy, his traffic was one of the best traffic source in quality wise. Conversions was over the roof. Okay, since then, so many gurus, so many top internet marketers bought traffic from this guy, and they made huge amounts of sales and commissions online because he had very, very, very good traffic. Since then, this guy has been changing. Now, if you look at his traffic, is completely different than the traffic that he used to provide like 10 years, 12 years, 15 years ago. It's completely different. Because the gurus got very good results right in the beginning, they are continue to recommend this guy for some reason. Okay? And people are buying traffic, but the problem is when the people are buying traffic from this guy, they are getting disappointed. They're not making money, and they're not even getting opens in their email follow-ups. All right? Now, what is the thing that this guy has? There's something unique about this guy compared to other solo ad providers, and that is the approach. This guy knows how to talk, this guy knows how to sell, and this guy knows how to convince a freebie and turn a freebie into a real buyer and a customer. This guy knows how to do that, okay? There's no doubt in that. But the problem is that his traffic quality-wise is extremely low. In fact, I won't even give a one-star rating. I have bought traffic from this guy not once, not twice, not 3 times, multiple times, so many times. And I'm telling you with experience, if you have enough money to waste, buy traffic from this guy. Otherwise, you're going to be just disappointed. The list that you're going to be building from this guy's traffic is going to be totally unresponsive list. They don't even open your emails. I'm not even talking about clicks or sales or commissions. They're not even going to open your emails. I don't know where these people are coming from. Okay? And I'm not just saying that. Anyone who has purchased traffic from this guy, ask them their experience and they will tell you. The leads are and the subscribers are very unresponsive. Alright? So stay away from this guy. Okay? He has a unique approach. He knows how to talk. He knows how to convince. And he will make it sound like that's it. You've got the golden box in your hand. You're just going to buy traffic and you're going to print your own paychecks. But the reality is totally opposite. Look at this. Look at his website. He just built this website. Okay, it's been quite some time. He's built his website. Look how professional he's built his website. Okay, smart marketers don't just buy solo ad. They work with the solo ad provider who guarantees results. Okay, that is very convincing. All right. If you watch one of his videos, the way he talks, the way he puts the words, it will convince you to buy the traffic. But once you buy the traffic, you will never want to come back again, because you're not just going to see that you're not getting a result. You're going to get subscribers, no doubt, because this guy does have a guarantee of getting you 30% opt-in rate. So if you bought about 300 clicks, if you bought about 1,000 clicks, you should get 300 subscribers. That's the guarantee he's giving you. With that, he's got another unique approach that he will create a lead magnet page for you when you purchase solo ads from this guy that will be congruent with the offer. All right, so that's why he could guarantee that 30% opt-in rate. That's another unique approach he has compared to other solo ad providers. But remember, we're not just building a list for the sake of list. We are building a list to make money, make real commissions. We want to see people opening our emails, and that's where the problem comes. You're not going to make money. You might make one or two sales in the beginning. All right, but that's not enough. We want to continue to communicate with our list, with our leads, with our subscribers, and we want to see that open rate. We want to see our subscribers opening our emails. If you build a list of 2,000 subscribers from this guy's traffic, you won't even see, you will see a less than 0.5% open rate. Even what I'm saying is it's staying on the safe side. Perhaps you might even see not even one person opening your email. I'm not even joking. I don't know where this guy gets the traffic from. I don't know how he's getting the traffic. I don't know where the people are coming into the list from. But I'll tell you one thing for sure. With experience, you will be disappointed. And the leads and the subscribers that you will get are very, very unresponsive. You'll hardly see any open rates. Forget the click-through rate, forget the sales, and forget the commissions. All right, so don't fall for this guy. He knows how to approach, he knows how to talk, he knows how to convince person, he knows those triggering words that could trigger someone to buy straight away. And that's the words he's used in his text version of the sales page as well, and he uses those same words in a video as well. Right now, I don't know, he's been advertising on YouTube ads as well, and he's come up with a YouTube app showing all his results, and he's using a different approach to get customers, and it's called the e-farming business. E-farming basically means email list, okay? Building an email list. Now, if a person's a newcomer, he'll say, e-farming business, making $1,000 a day. I want to do this. I want to learn this. But in reality, it's the same thing. Email lists, email marketing. He's just using a different word, a professional word, and a different approach to get that customer. So don't fall for this, all right? Unless you have so much money to waste. And if you don't believe me, give it a try. I'm telling you from now, he will build a lead magnet page for you. Okay? And he will guarantee 30% opt-in rate. I don't know right now, but when I purchased traffic, once upon a time, the last time, he guaranteed 30% opt-in rate. That's the guarantee he's going to give you that. But I don't care if he guarantees me 50% opt-in rate or 100% opt-in rate. I want to make money. I want to see real people in my list who's opening my emails. And I'm not seeing that with this guy's traffic. There's a reason. There's something going wrong behind it. All right. So don't fall for this guy. I know all the top gurus are recommending this guy. I don't know why they're doing that. They're probably doing it because once upon a time, so many years ago, they bought traffic, and that time his traffic was good. I also agree to that. His traffic was one of the best traffic when he got started with solo ads, but not anymore. Okay, not anymore. And they're probably recommending him because he has an affiliate program as well, and he pays very good commissions. So don't fall for it. All right, if you don't just want people in your list, you want people who opens your email, who clicks on your links, who wants to buy. All right, so remember, stay away from this guy. And if you don't believe me, give it a try, and then let me know in the comments what was your experience. Okay, like I said, you might make 1 or 2 mini sales in the beginning, and that is when a person comes to your lead magnet page, enters the email, hits submit, and then gets redirected to the offer. Then you might make 1 or 2 front-end sales. So you spent like $1,000 and you just made back like $37, okay? But that's not enough, okay? You want to constantly make money. So stay away from this guy. One more reason why you want to stay away from this guy is because his traffic is very expensive. First of all, the people who's going to come in your list are very unresponsive people. I don't know where he's getting the people from, but I could tell you that it's extremely low quality. And the traffic is extremely expensive compared to the other solar ad providers in the market. In my previous videos, I've shared one of my premium buyer traffic. That is even cheaper than this guy's traffic. That is a buyer traffic. I purchased traffic and I made a couple of Clickbank sales. I'm still getting 1 Clickbank sale recurring commission for months from that traffic source. Even the buyer package, I believe, is cheaper than this guy's traffic. That traffic package, premium buyer traffic source that I shared in my previous videos, has a buyer package. Even the buyer package of CPC, cost per click, is cheaper than this guy's normal traffic. That traffic is very high quality, very responsive leads. Like I said, I made a couple of sales with different network, Warrior Plus, Clickbank, and I'm still making recurring commissions. In my Clickbank account, I think it's one recurring commissions in my Clickbank account, and it's been months since I bought traffic from that premium traffic, and I'm still making that recurring commission that I made with that traffic. But it's cheaper compared to this guy's traffic. Even though this guy's traffic, I don't know where he gets the traffic from. He's got a unique approach. All right, he's got a unique way to trigger the customer's subconscious mind to get you to buy his traffic. But if you really want to save your money and save your time, stay away from this guy. I hope this video has helped. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, smash the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. My YouTube channel is all about making money online, internet marketing, lead generation, traffic generation, affiliate marketing, live campaigns, making money with Clickbank, and teaching you step by step how to create a real make money online internet business from scratch, from the comfort of your home. If you're interested, smash that red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, share this video, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video. And if you have any suggestions, leave it in the comment. And what do you think about this guy? Have you heard about this guy before? Do you know this guy? Have you ever tried this traffic or not? What was your experience? When my experience wasn't good, I've tried it so many times. I bought the big packages, I bought the small packages. I haven't had a good experience, so I thought I would share it with my viewers and subscribers. Right, so what was your experience? Just leave a comment, let me know, and let's chat about this, let's talk about this, let's see what we can do to help the community and change people's lives. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video.